Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
everyone. Hello, good evening. Let's get started.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello. Okay, so we have a couple of
evening, ma'am.
homeworks for discussion today. So we'll do that part by part. Factors and multiples set 2 first, and then something other than that. So let's go with the questions from factors and multiples set 2. Say Samriddhi. Send me the questions in the doubts in the chat, everyone. Question number. Yeah, Samriddhi.
I had doubts, but I figured them out.
Okay, thank you so much. That's great. What about others? Aradhya?
Excuse me, ma'am. I shouldn't be talking about this now, but like in our science class, there's somebody named Princess Pro who keeps joining and doesn't answer when ma'am calls out their name and asks them who to open the camera. And the same person actually joined now.
In our class also.
Yes, ma'am.
But I don't see anyone with the name Princess. Oh, Princess Pro. Oh, Ibrahim it is. Nanika, no problem. That's okay. I've got the doubts from Sadhna, Aradhya, Ibrahim, Arnav, Shivani, Sadhna, and Naman. Say Arnav. Unmute.
Today we will do worksheet doubts also.
Worksheets means not this, only live classes. This is not mandatory, Arnav. This is only for additional practice, that too after the classes are over. If you want to practice, then you can, but it's not something I'll be discussing in the class. I'll be only doing the live classes part.
Ma'am, you have sent in WhatsApp.
Which one? Bodmas one?
Yes.
Yeah, we will do that if you have a doubt in that. Say Samriddhi. Not Samriddhi Singh, not Srivastava.
Ma'am, I by mistake you wanted to ask a doubt.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand like the odd number and the even number thingy.
If we
Like
odd
plus, ma'am, like
yeah,
plus the odd number plus even.
that is done with the
Ma'am,
help of an example, Samriddhi. Just take any random number in your mind. Take 4 and 5. So what is the combination? Additional, what is the combination? Even and odd. Now in this even and odd combination, you would see that if you add them, you get odd number. That is 9. That means when an even and an odd number are added, you end up getting an even number, odd number. Similarly, when you take an example of 2 plus 4, what do you get? 6. And that is an even
ma'am,
number.
6.
Yeah, that's an even number. What does that mean? That means when you add two even numbers, it gives you an even number. So do it with the help of example every time. You don't have to remember it. Okay. Naman 4-7 means what? 4, 2, 7 or just 4 and 7?
Ma'am, 4 and 7.
Okay, thank you. This is also sorted. 10, 11, 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9 written. 5 done. 9 done. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, Anvita. 3 done. Is it 3.2? Yes, Manusvi, 3.2. Number 8, number 7. Done. I've got the doubts and it's 8:05. So thank you for your doubts. Let's start solving the question. Okay. 3 is the first question we'll be doing together. That is the prime factors of 1810. So let's start. I have opened the chat box. Closed the chat box to everyone and enabled the room as well. All the things are done. Let's get started. And 181 is no question number. It's okay, Hanifa. I read it. It's fine. Yeah, to question number 2, Arnav, do you have a doubt in the question number 2? Then what is 2? Oh, you gave the answer. Oh, okay, fine. Fine then, everyone. Have a look over here. Okay, Rianshi, that's good. Thank you. Let's get started with Naman. So, Naman, have a look over here. Please help. 1810. Is this a number which is divisible by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
What do we get in the quotient?
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Actually, there's a shortcut, everyone. We'll discuss about it once we do the normal method. Say, Naman.
Ma'am, 65.
No. 2 times 9 is 18. So 2 times 90 is 180. 180 leaves a remainder of 1. 10 is 10. And 2 times 5 is 10. So we get 905, Naman. Check. Riyansh, can you tell me which number can I divide 905 with? Riyansh. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
I can divide this number by which prime number?
Ma'am,
Look at the last digit and decide.
3.
3 will not work, Riyansh. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 doesn't come in the table of 3. So what's the next prime number you can think of?
Ma'am. 7.
5, no. Ends with a 5. Tell me what is 905 divided by 5?
905 divided by 5.
Solve it. Anvita, what's the doubt?
Ma'am, for 905, why did we keep a 0 in the middle instead of just keeping 95?
Because 95 into 2 is not 1810. You can multiply and check. You get 180.
Oh, ma'am.
So how would you know that we have to keep a 0 or not? Because if 2 times 9 is 18, then you get a 0 and you bring a 1. But 1 is less than 2, right, Anvita? So we cannot
Yes.
do anything with 1. So we have to
Ma'am.
bring another 0 down, and for that we need a support, and that
Ma'am.
support is 0.
181.
Thank you, Riyansh. Anvita, did you understand this?
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
So when you are dividing 1810 by 2, 2 times 9 is 18 and you get a 0.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you bring a 1 down from here, but 1 is less than 2. So you cannot operate on it. So you
Yes,
need a
ma'am.
support. You need to bring another 0 down. So when you bring another 0 down, for that you need an extra support. You cannot bring another number just like that. So therefore we could keep a 0. So that 90 times 2 is 180. It will look like that. And the 10 will come out down.
Ma'am, so 1 is lesser than 2, so we kept the extra 0 beside 1.
We brought the last digit below.
Okay, ma'am, we brought the last digit below, and we also kept the last digit in between 9 and 5.
No, this does not have to be the last digit. This always has to be a 0 only.
Ma'am,
So
for
whenever
any
this thing is less than this, we use a 0 to bring another number down.
Okay, ma'am. So if the right side number is lesser than the 2, so we should bring a 0 there.
Yes, we should bring the next number in the dividend there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. So everyone, 181, whether it is a prime number or not, to check it, we will put it in the form of 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. So we all know that 180 is a multiple of 6. Yes or no? Riyanshi, 6 multiplied with how much gives you a 180?
6 multiplied by how much gives me a 180?
Yeah. 6 multiplied with what gives you 18?
6 multiplied by 3.
So 180 will be 30, right? So this is plus 1. So this is in the form of 6k plus 1. And if 181 is in the form of 6k plus 1, then it is a prime number. And if it is a prime number, then what do? We keep it as it is. We cannot divide it with any other number. And therefore, the answer is 2, 5 and 181. Okay. Yes or no? Okay, perfect. Let's go to the fourth question. If there is no doubt in the third one, no doubt. 3, 2, 1. Question number 4. Find the greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by all of these numbers. So to find out the number, the first number which is divisible by all of these numbers, and then we will find out the greatest 4 digit. See, there are two options or two ways of doing this question, everyone. Please pay attention. There are two ways of doing the question. Way number 1 is you calculate the LCM and then find out the closest multiple to these options. Or the second method is that you use option elimination. So when we use option elimination, we can actually eliminate some options. Like for example, 9990 will never be divisible by 4040 because 999 never is not divisible by 4. So if it is not divisible by any one of the number, it cannot be the answer. Right? Right, everyone? Yeah. So you can use option elimination or you can do it by the LCM method. Anyone who has done the option elimination method here, you can raise your hand. If you have done it, then you have to tell me the reason to eliminate it. Okay. Aditi, tell me the reason to eliminate one of the options out of ABC.
Ma'am, I would eliminate option A because it is not divisible by by 48.
Okay. So for the divisibility rule of 48, remember everyone, there are multiple ways how you can divide and check for 48. Okay. For example, a number which is divisible by 48 should also be divisible by 8, should also be divisible by 6, and so on and so forth. Okay. So this number is divisible by 8 and 6 both, but so are you sure 9120 is not divisible by 48?
Sorry, ma'am,
It
it's
is
60,
divisible by
not.
48.
Ma'am,
So
it
which
is divisible by all of the numbers, but it is not the greatest.
Okay, so it is divisible by all. That's what I also see. So we will keep this in hold. Okay, when any number comes in which is divisible by all, let's keep it on hold. Okay, Vedant, can you eliminate B or C?
Ma'am, I think I'll eliminate B.
Tell me the reason.
Ma'am, because I don't
It's
think,
divisible by 40. It's divisible by 60. What about 48?
ma'am, it is definitely never divisible by 48.
Why? I think it is divisible by 48. Did you try or you're just guessing?
Ma'am, I'm not guessing like
It
I
is
followed.
divisible. It is 195. And by the way, you all can check the divisibility rule of 8 also. If it is divisible by 8, it will be divisible by 48 also. So, Vedant, this is divisible by all the numbers. So, this is still on hold. And this is greater than option A. So, option A is out now and we keep option B into hold. Now, we'll have to check option C. Say, Shanaya.
Ma'am, I think it's C,
To be eliminated or the right answer?
the right answer.
Okay. And how do you know that? You divided and checked it, or what did you do?
Ma'am, I checked it and also it's the biggest number.
Okay, she is right. It is the biggest number. So in that case, see everyone, when this is the case where you can eliminate only one option and all the others are divisible and you have to find out which one is the largest, In this, I don't think option elimination is the fastest method to go by. Okay. Here, the fastest method would be calculating the LCM. Say, Arna, what happened? Nothing. Samriddhi Singh?
I didn't understand this
Okay.
question.
15 is not fully
It's
divisible, so I'll
confusing.
not divide it. I'll take 5 and then divide it. 6 and then a 3. And then I have 3. That gives me 1, 2, 1. And then a 2, which gives me 1, 1, 1. Okay, so let's multiply all of them. 2 times 2 times 2. 8. 8 times 5, 40. And 40 times 6. 6 times 4, 240. Okay. Now, 240 is the LCM of these numbers. So I need to find out which of the following numbers is the closest to the multiple of 240. I'll not take any stupid methods. I'll use a smart method. What is the smart method? Which is the largest 4-digit number you all know? 9999. What will I do now? I will take 240 and divide 9999 by 240. Let's go to the closest value. Anyone who can help me in this division? What should I take my first quotient? 6, 5, 4. Yeah, Vedant.
Ma'am, first you should do 240 into 4.
240 into 4. Let's see. 4 times 4, 6. Yes, it's a good option. It gives me 960. So it's a 960 and that gives me about 39. I'll bring the 9 down and it's 399. What
Ma'am,
should be
I
the
think
next? Sorry, Vedant, say that again.
Ma'am, I think it is better if we instead
1.
of 4, we could keep it as 24 into 40.
No, not 40. Why 40? 41. So over
Okay.
here, we have 240 and we are left with a 9 and a 5 and a 159. Look at this, everyone. Do you all also got 159 as the remainder? Manasvi?
Yes, but after calculating 1599 is not multiple of 240.
Yeah, I know. We have to do the subtraction now. So look at this, everyone. Now we will do the main game. Now we know that 9999 is definitely not divisible by 240. But if I reduce 159 from the number, if I reduce 159 from the number, I will get the largest 4-digit multiple of 240. And that is 0489, 9840. Understood, everyone? So this can be the fastest method to do this question. Calculate the LCM. Divide the 999, the largest 4-digit number, by 240, that is the LCM. And whatever remainder you get, subtract that remainder from the largest 4-digit number, that is 9999. And that's how you land upon the right answer of this question. Clear, everyone? Please give me a thumbs up quickly. Okay, question number 5. The product of two numbers is 100 and the HCF is 5. Find the LCM. There was a rule which we learned which says product of the two numbers is equals to product of the HCF and LCM. So here product of the two numbers is given as 100 and the HCF is given as 5. To calculate L, we can shift the 5 to the other side. Now you people remember we learned it in the number system classes that whenever we do the shifting from the equals to sign, either left or on the right, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So if we shift the 5 to the other side, what will happen, Devanshi? Multiplication will become Devashri, sorry.
Division.
Thank you. And L will become 20. That means the LCM of the numbers are 20 and the HCF is 5. Thank you. Clear? Thank you, Manvik. Clear, everyone? Okay, done. Yes, Anvita.
Ma'am, first what 100 we should just divide 105.
You should divide the product of the numbers by the HCF to get the LCM.
Yes, ma'am, we should divide HCF and LCM.
No, product of the number by HCF.
Yes, ma'am, the product of the two numbers is 100 and HCF is 5.
So divide 100 by 5.
And so we got 20, so that's the answer, ma'am.
Yes, that's the LCM.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Ibrahim,
Yes, ma'am.
you had it out in the 6th one or 7th one?
Ma'am, 11th.
Then help me in the 6th one, Ibrahim. What is the sum of the HCF and the LCM of these two numbers? What is the HCF of these two numbers, Ibrahim? And Manvik, you will tell me the LCM. Ibrahim, HCF of 25 and 15. You can mentally do it.
Ma'am, 5.
Thank you. And Manvik, what's the LCM?
Ma'am, the LCM is 75.
Thank you. Those who are still confused, we got 75 because this. Okay, the first number which comes in the table of 25 and 15. And what will be the sum of 75 and 5? 80. So that's how the answer is option A. Clear, everyone? Advika, go ahead.
Ma'am, I forgot how to find the LCM method.
Okay. Here you go. 25, 15, 5, 5, 3, 5, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. So 5 times 5, 25, 25 times 3, 75. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Samriddhi Singh. No, it's Srivastav. Okay, sorry. Say Samriddhi.
Understand the shortcut method of LCM and HCF.
The mental method, I mentally calculated it. So what I said Manvik to do was check the tables of the bigger number. So like 25 is a bigger number. So check the table of 25, Samriddhi. 25 doesn't come in the table of 15, so cancel. 25 times 2, 50. 50 doesn't come in the table of 15, so cancel. Then 25 times 3, 75. Now this number comes in the table of 15. So that's how you do it mentally. If you are good at remembering the tables, then this method will help you.
Okay.
Thank you. Say Anvita.
Ma'am, how did we get the HCF as 5?
Because the only number, the highest number which divides 25 and 15 is 5. There is no other common factor except 1 and 5. So that's
Okay,
why
ma'am.
5 is the highest value there. Okay?
Ma'am, so we should divide it with 25 and 15, so the number
No,
which
no,
we can
no,
divide.
no. We should not divide it. That is to check. What is the full form of
Factor.
HCF, Anvita?
Ma'am, highest common factor.
Yes. So you have to find out for which number will be the highest common factor of 25 and 15. Which divides 25 also and which divides 15 also. It's like that.
Yes. Ma'am, so 25 and 15 come in the same table of 5, so we put the answer as 5.
Yes, correct.
HCF is 5, and ma'am, how did we get 75 and turn it into 80?
Read the question, Anvita, now. What are they saying? Read the question again.
What is the sum of the HCF and LCM of 25 and 15? Ma'am.
So we found out 75 and 5. Now what are they asking us to do?
Ma'am, plus it.
That's right. So 75 plus 5 is 80.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Question number 7. Let's do the question number 7 with Sadhna. Sadhna and Mishika both. Ready, huh?
Ma'am, I have doubt in this one.
Okay. Give a hi to your brother. Okay. Say, Sadhna, we'll start with you.
Okay, ma'am.
So tell me, here we have to find out the LCM or the HCF. First, take a decision here.
LCM.
Yes. And firstly, remember one thing. How many numbers are given to us? 3. So it's always better to go with the common division method, right? So,
Yes,
Mishika, you had a doubt in this, that's okay. But I will use your help. I mean, get your help in calculation part. So, Sadhna, tell me the first factor which commonly divides all 3 numbers.
3.
Okay. 3. This gives me 15. This gives me 25. And this gives me 27. Now, Mishika, it's your turn. Simplify. All the numbers are divisible by?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes. Start. 3, 5. Not divisible.
No,
Leave it as it leave it as it is. Then 27, 9. Now again we have 2 numbers which are further divisible. So 5. Very good.
5, 9.
We know 5 and 9 are co-prime. HCF is 1. So we will just do the formality of making these numbers 1 now. Okay, so that we don't get confused. That's all. And once this is done, now we will be multiplying all the numbers which are present on the left side. So let's multiply this. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 2. What is 3 to the power 4, Mishika? 3 into 3 and then 3 into 3.
81.
Very good. 81. And this is 25. So Sadhna, coming back to you, what is 85 times 25? 81 times 25?
81 times 25.
Yeah. Others in the chat box, please.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah. Aradhya, what happened? You want to answer?
Ma'am, can I take? No.
Okay, Aradhya, give me 1 minute. Say, Mishika, you can say.
Ma'am, 1425.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, 1825.
Mishika, you said 4,000. Okay, fine. Let me show you. 5, 40, 2, 16. What have you guys done? Both of you have given me wrong answer. 2025. Look at the calculation I have done here. 5 times 1, 5. 8 times 5, 40. 2 times 1, 2. And 8 times 2, 16. So add 5 plus nothing, 5. 2. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1, 2. Sadhna and Mishika clear? 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did it 15 into 15 into 9 because I did it to another method. But I got the same
That
answer.
was the mistake. Yeah, that was the mistake. Be aware. Okay.
Ma'am, by mistake, I added 8 plus 2.
Oh,
5.
fine. Be careful. Say Arnav, then I'll go to Anvita.
Ma'am, in first one, 81 into 5, how do we get 1 extra?
Where?
Here. And after 405.
This 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 4, 10. Carryover 1. Okay, Anvita, say.
Ma'am, why did we divide it in this method?
Because this is the LCM method. We just divided 25 and 15 in the last question also in the same method. LCM method, Anvita. Common LCM of everything.
Ma'am, so we entered it with all those numbers and we got 81 and 25.
Yes.
So we into that
Yeah, that's why we got it.
and got that answer.
Okay, perfect. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in it, but I didn't understand how do we get LCM?
How to get what?
LCM.
So in the LCM method, you commonly divide all the factors by the prime numbers and then multiply all the common prime numbers on the left side. That's how you
No.
calculate the LCM.
No, ma'am. I didn't understand how do we get LCM? 45, 75, 81.
This is a method. Okay,
Ma'am,
why did we calculate LCM?
no. Why do we not get HCF? Why do we get LCM? My question.
Because we have to find out the multiple which can be cut into equal parts of all of this. So this is not a limited length, Arnav. We need to find out what is that multiple or what is that length of cloth which can be cut into all these three forms. I can cut it into 45 centimeter also, I can cut it into 75 centimeter pieces also, and I'll cut it into 81 centimeter pieces also. And in every case, it will be equally divided. No amount of cloth will be left out. Okay, that's why multiple, least common multiple. Say Naman.
Why did we take the LCM?
Same thing, no? I told that the length of the cloth is not fixed, Naman. I need what is that multiple which comes in the table of 45 also, 75 also, 81 also. Like, what is that length of cloth which if I decide to cut into 45, 45, 45 number of pieces, like every piece size should be 45 centimeter. In that case, it should not leave any remainder piece. Like for example, if I put 100 centimeter length of cloth, then it will not be the answer. Why? Because if you divide then 45, 45, you will get two pieces and 10 centimeter will be left out, 90 plus 10. So that's not the case. So we need a multiple which can be cut into equal parts of 45 also, 75 also and 81 also. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Naman. Naman ko mera Naman. Say Samriddhi Singh. I have to
Ma'am, I
unmute
didn't
Samriddhi.
understand how you got 25.
How I got 25?
Yes, ma'am.
5
In
into 5.
this. Ma'am, but why did you do it 5 into 5 only?
Because all of these
Oh.
numbers are divisible by 5.
Okay.
Okay. Say Ibrahim,
Ma'am, is there any more faster way to find LCM?
this is the only thing to
Or
do. You
HCF?
can use option elimination, but not anything else.
Okay.
Okay?
Is there any faster way to find LCM than that?
No, no.
I
You
heard
can
of
use
something
option
like this only,
elimination.
ma'am. I heard of something like this only to find HCF.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Question number 8, everyone. Prime triplets. Prime triplets are consecutive. 3 consecutive prime numbers. Right? Yes. So, 5, 7 and 11 is a prime triplet. No prime number in the middle of them. 7, 11, 13 is a prime triplet. 11, 13, 17 is a prime triplet. But 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 all are missing. So this is not a prime triplet. So that's the answer. Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, I don't know what is
Say Manasvi.
prime triplet. Ma'am, I don't know what is prime triplet.
I can't hear you, Manasvi.
I don't know what is prime
I
triplet.
can't hear you. Check your mic. Anvita, you say?
Ma'am, we should just check if those numbers are prime or not.
No, prime triplets means, okay, I'll just give you a brief. Prime triplets means 3 consecutive prime numbers. Consecutive means coming one after the other. 3 consecutive prime numbers. You can write this down. These are like some special names. There is one below you also, that is twin primes. I'll tell you. You can write them down. Prime triplets are three consecutive prime numbers. So if three numbers are given to you and those three numbers are prime numbers which come right after each other, then those three numbers are called as prime triplets. But
Ma'am, so three
Hmm.
prime numbers in the same order are called prime triplets.
ascending order, yes, in the ascending order.
Oh, okay, ma'am. So, like small to big.
Yes.
Prime numbers
Yes.
from small to big are called prime triplets.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, Vedant say.
Ma'am, I got a doubt here because I thought the prime triplet means there should
Okay, don't say
same
the wrong answer. People will be confused, Vedant. It's okay. Manasvi say.
Ma'am, I accidentally raised my hand.
Okay, Aditi say, then I'll go to Sanya.
Ma'am, is this true? Like the difference between the first and the last number, like in option A, 5 and 11. So the difference is 6. So does
See,
that
Aditi, some books say that this is the definition of prime numbers, but it keeps on changing. The difference can be 6 also. Sometimes the difference can be 4 also. So why to fall in this confusion, right? The easiest way is that the prime numbers should be right next to each other. That's all. Okay.
okay? Thank
Okay, Sanya say
Ma'am, she was trying to say she doesn't know that what is
prime triplets. I was not able to hear. Maybe my internet. Okay, fine. Question number 9, everyone. This is also something new for you people to understand what is twin primes. Any two prime numbers, write it down. Any two prime numbers which have a difference of 2 is called twin prime. Any two prime numbers, primes I've written, any two prime numbers which have a difference of 2 is called twin prime. So, is 2 and 5 twin prime? No, because the difference itself is 3. Is 3 and 5 twin prime? Yes, because 3 and 5 are prime numbers also and their difference is also 2. Is 41 and 43 twin prime? Yes, because both are prime numbers and the difference is 2. Is 5 and 7 twin prime? Yes, because the difference is 2 and these two numbers are twin primes also. Write it in the chat box. Is 7 and 9 twin prime? 1 second, Anvita. Is 7 and 9 twin prime? Yes or no? Is 7 or 9 twin prime? Yes or no? Shrihan, unmute and say yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Very good. Why no?
Ma'am, because they both are not prime numbers. They both are prime numbers, but they have a difference of 3.
7 and 9 are the difference of 3. Shrihan, seriously.
Ma'am?
9 minus 7 is how much? Samriddhi, don't even try to unmute yourself. Yeah, say. Shrihan, continue. 9 minus 7
Ma'am, 9 minus 7 is.
is?
Ma'am, it's 2.
Then what is the difference between the two numbers?
Ma'am, it's 2.
Yes. Now tell me, are they twin primes or not?
Ma'am, they are.
They are not. Samriddhi Singh, now tell me, why are they not twin primes?
Ma'am, 9 is not a prime number.
Exactly. 9 is not a prime number, everyone. So don't fall in the
Ma'am.
trap. This can
Okay,
be
ma'am.
tricky. Okay, fine. Anvita, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, we should just understand if those both are prime numbers. That's it.
Those both are just prime numbers is not sufficient, Anvita. If that would have been the reason, then option A would have also been the answer. 2 and 5 both are prime numbers. But are they twin primes? No. Why? You tell me why.
Ma'am, I just didn't understand the
Read
gap
the
of 2 and
definition,
3.
Anvita. Read the definition.
Ma'am, any two prime numbers which have difference of 2 are called twin
Difference
primes.
of 2 means?
Gap of 2, ma'am.
Exactly. So if you are 10 years old and I'm 12 years old, then we have a gap of 2 years. We have a difference of 2 years. Right? So if two
Ma-
prime numbers are given to you, Anvita, so the gap of 2 means you add 2 to one of the smaller number, you get the bigger number.
Ma'am, so we should just we should check if those two numbers are prime numbers and have a gap of 2 also.
Yes. Both the
They should
conditions
both
should
be
be checked.
they should both be prime numbers and have a gap of 2.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Araja say,
Ma'am, so like 7 and 5 are like twin primes?
yes. 7 and 5 are twin primes.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, fine. The last question, then we'll go for a break, everyone. Question number 10. Wait a second. Is this even a doubt? Let me check. Yeah, 10 and 11. Two questions. So, number 10. Two ropes are 12 meter and 16 meter long and the ropes are to be cut into equal length. Find the maximum length of each piece. Maximum length of each piece. Can I increase the length of the rope? Nanika, we will calculate the HCF here or the LCM here. Nanika, will we calculate the HCF here or the LCM here?
Ma'am, I think that we should do the LCM.
LCM would mean that we have the liberty of increasing the size of the rope. Do we have the liberty of doing that? No.
No, sorry.
Then we have to go with HCF. Correct. Now, Parth, can you find out the HCF for me? 12 and 16. What method can we use? Prime factorization?
Ma'am, which part?
HCF of 12 and 16, Parth. Parth Sharma.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, we can use prime factorization.
Tell me what will come in the 16 one.
16.
Look at my screen and answer what will come below. Below 8,
Ma'am, 4,
below 4,
2,
below 2.
1.
Thank you. So look at this, everyone. HCF 12 is for 2 into 2 into 3 and 16 is for 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So which numbers are common? 2 times 2, 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So the HCF is 4. Okay. That means the maximum length of each piece is 4 meters. Is it clear, Shivani? Say Manvik.
Option elimination can be also used
Oh,
here.
yes, absolutely. Yes,
And
everyone,
2 is
please
the
make
only
sure.
biggest factor that is able to divide 12 meter and 16 meter. If there are any more, then they are bigger. Plus, there is not any more factor.
12 is not
factor.
divisible by 8. 10 does not divide any of the number. And 6 does not divide 16. So we all can use the option elimination method to get the answer faster. Thank you, Manvik. Okay, two of you have raised your hands. Let's go first. Okay, just Anvita. Say Anvita.
Ma'am, why are we using HCF in this case?
Can we extend the size of the rope?
No, ma'am.
So if we cannot go and find out the multiple, Anvita, then we have to go with the HCF. Okay.
Ma'am, so if we can't extend if we can extend something, we'll go with LCM, and if we can't extend anything, we'll go with HCF.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, in any question like that only will do.
Yes, yes. Please take a decision like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, then 11th one last. Then we'll go for a break. Hey, there's no 11th question here.
There are only 10, ma'am.
That's right. Okay, then we'll go for a quick short break. We'll come back and yeah, if you have any BODMAS doubts, those BODMAS file, please send me that BODMAS. Okay, I have that BODMAS file. Wait a second. I just got it last class. Someone shared with me. You can send me the BODMAS doubts in the chat and I'll go. Yeah, Vedant, say. Why so many answers?
Ma'am,
Vedant, you want this?
ma'am, I just wanted to tell sorry for speaking up without raising hand.
That's okay. Thank you for saying this. Arnav, say.
Today.
Arnav, nothing. Ibrahim.
Ma'am, the 11th question that I said, it was of board mass. I forgot you are discussing board mass or that.
Okay,
Then I
okay.
remembered.
No problem, no
Until
problem.
you said stop, that's why I can't sing it.
Okay. Anvita.
Ma'am, like, could you give me a bit example of which we can use at HCF and LCM in which problems?
So when we have the questions where we say that we are like every second person standing in the line is getting a pen and every third person standing in the line is getting a cap. So which is the first person who gets a pen and a cap both? So we are thinking of multiples. We are thinking of going further in the table of 2 and 3 and finding out which number will come in the table of both of them. So that is a multiple example. We are extending the line. We can extend it to any limit. But when the question is that you have 10 oranges and 15 apples, and you need to distribute them in such a way that the boxes should have equal distribution of apples and oranges. Then in this case, Anvita, you cannot increase the number of apples and oranges. That is fixed, 10 and 15, total 25. So when you cannot extend the number of items given to you, then you go for HCF, highest common factor.
Ma'am, when we cannot extend the limits, we'll go for HCF.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we can extend the limits, we'll go for LCM.
Yes.
Ma'am, shouldn't we go for HCF if we can extend the limits?
No. We don't need factors then. Then we need multiples.
Okay, ma'am. Like
Okay.
multiples, because multiples are infinite.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Say,
ma'am.
Hanifa.
Ma'am, can I keep my camera off because it's not working?
It's okay. That's fine. Thank you. Let's go for a break. Shania, I seriously want to do this, but I cannot promise this because until and unless the doubts are completed, we cannot have a match, right? So we'll have doubts first, okay? And if we have less doubts, then good. We'll finish them on time and then we'll start with a match, okay? I'll surely try to have one. All right. See you then, everyone, in 5 minutes. Thank you. Welcome back, everyone. Let's get started quickly, so that we finish it on time. And if we have extra time, we'll definitely have an extra match. Okay. So let's take the doubts from here. I have doubts 1, 13, 14, 2, copy, 18 and 20. Manasvi, this file does not have 20 questions in it. Do they? Oh, yeah, it does. Oh, wow. 4. Okay, then I'm stuck. Anyways, in 20. So 1, 2, 4. Let me do that. Parth 4 and Sadhana 5. Don't tell me, Sadhana, you had a doubt of 4, 5 in this file and I did it in that file. You could have stopped me then.
No, ma'am. I had in both of them.
Are you sure? Same question number in both the files. This is too difficult to believe. And your smile is also uncontrollable.
1 second. Let me check.
It's okay, nothing to check. It's past now. We have already solved it. Say
Ma'am, no,
Manvik.
ma'am.
Okay, you're eating. That's fine. Eat it. Then speak. Say Manvik.
If my hand is exactly.
Okay. Fine then, everyone. I'm not taking anyone's help this time. No, I will take some people, some of them, because I haven't heard from some of them. Okay. So I'll first start this one with Advika. Advika, back from the break? Not back. Okay. Sanya, tell me what is 4 plus 5. Quick.
Yes, ma'am. 4 plus 5 is 9.
Thank you, Sanya. What is 36 divided by 6?
Ma'am, is it me?
Yeah, Sanya, you only.
36 divided by 6, 12, 18, 20.
Thank you. And 2 to the power 4. Anvita, what is 2 to the power 4?
Ma'am, 2 to the power of 2 to the power 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8.
What is it?
Ma'am, I'm
Calculate and tell
saying.
me.
Yes, ma'am. 2 to the 4. Oh, ma'am, 16.
Thank you. Manvik, why are you raising hand? Doubt?
Ma'am, can I share my doubt in one word I forgot to share?
Yeah. Send it. Okay, everyone. So then we go for multiplication. So 9 times 8. What is 9 times 8, Shivani?
Ma'am, 9 times 8 is 72.
72 minus 6, Tanisha. Thank you, Shivani.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Tanisha, 72 minus 6.
Yes, ma'am. 68. Ma'am,
Nah.
ma'am, 66.
Others, keep quiet. If I hear you, Riyansh, I'll mute you forever and will never let you unmute. Don't unmute without my permission. 66 plus 16. Next question for Sadhna. 66 plus 16, Sadhna.
66 plus 16. Once again, ma'am, 76 plus 6 equals to 82.
Thanks. Question number 1 was the doubt of Varna. Varna, clear? Question number 2. Whose doubt is question number 2? First, clarify this. Because you people are writing numbers just like that. Whose doubt is number 2? Arnav only. Okay, Arnav. Settle back. Yash, I would need your help in this one. Teddy bought 14 pizzas and each pizza had 8 slices in it. So what is the total number of slices? 14
Eight.
times 8?
14 times 8. Let me do it. 112.
Thank you. 112 total slices. Now it is saying that if Teddy, thank you Yash, if Teddy ate 1/4 of the total, 1/4 means 1/4. So Samriti, sing. Divide 112 by 4 and tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am, could I have some time?
Yep. 30 seconds.
Okay. Ma'am, I think it's 23.
20.
3. I
Yeah.
think.
When you divide 112 by 4, you get a 2, you get a 8, you get a 3. So 32. 4 times what is 32, Samriti?
Ma'am, 4 times 8.
Yes. Now 28 is not the answer. Please don't be confused. Naman, read the last line of the question and tell me what is the answer.
Find the number of slices left.
Exactly. Slices left. This is the slices which she has eaten. I am asking you how many slices are left. So how will we calculate that? Janvi? Oh, Janvi is eating. Janvi is having her own slices. Okay, Janvi, complete the food. Nanika?
From your calendar.
So, ma'am, we subtract 28 from 112. Then we get 84.
84. Thank you. Everyone check 84. Okay. Nanika, any doubt? You have also raised your hand. Arnav, clear doubt?
Sir, man, like I raised my hand the same time you asked me the question.
Okay. Fine. Don't do that again. Don't raise hand for answering. Say Arnav. Doubt clear?
Yes. Ma'am,
And yeah.
but how do we get 1/4?
Quarter means 4. This is like a part to remember. 1/4 means 1/4. Okay. All right, everyone pay attention. Question number 4 coming. Whose doubt is 4? Arnav, yours? Samriddhi, yours? Aditi, yours? Manvik, yours. Okay.
Ma'am, it's not
Yeah,
my
Manvik.
doubt. Ma'am, my doubt was question number 3. You just left it.
Okay, let me take it. Number 3. Okay. Those who have a doubt, it's okay. You can unraise your hand. Let's go and ask this to Vivek. Vivek, directly
Yes, ma'am.
answer me. What is the value of 24 divided by 8?
Mom, 23.
Thank you, Vivek. And 3 times 5, Vivek.
15.
Okay, thank you. 3 to the power 2, Vivek.
6.
No, 3 into 3.
9.
Yes. So 15 plus 54 minus 84 minus 9. Parth Padwal. 15 plus 54, sir.
15 plus
54.
69.
Thank you. Manasvi, 69 minus 84. You can do the reverse. You can do 84 minus 69 and then keep the negative sign. Manasvi is stuck. Parth, why is your hand raised? You have a doubt?
Ma'am, the fourth one is my question.
Okay. Samriddhi Singh, you're unmuted. Okay, fine. The next one we will go to Vedant. Manasvi, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, 84 minus 69, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, 14 minus 9, 5, and then 3 minus 6, 1, 15 it is.
So it gives me a negative 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Negative 15 and negative 9, we add up and get negative 24.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's how we get the answer as minus 24. Manvik, check. Others, please check. Is the answer okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes.
Let's go to the next question. After number 3, say Arnav.
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt on 3rd number. I listened 4th number.
It's okay. Manvik's doubt was 3rd. Question number 4, everyone, pay attention. Patrick is an avid reader. That means he reads very, very much. He has a home library with 483 books on each shelf. And what is the total number of books in Patrick's library if there are 32 shelves? So we will multiply over here and I would need no one's help. I would multiply it quickly over here so that you people can see the calculation and do it fast. 3 times 2, 6. 8 times 2, 16. Carry 1. 4 times 2, 8, 9. Into 3 times 3, 9. 8 times 3, 24. 2 carry. 4 times 3, 12, 14. So we add 6, 15, carry 1, 14, carry 1, 5, 1. The answer is 1, 5, 4, 5, 6. Option B. Say Aditi.
Ma'am, I know the answer is 15456, but in the answer key it says 15546.
You can message them back and say that the answer key is wrong. We checked it with the teacher in class. Okay? Fine. Next is question number 5. No. Question number 13. Okay, that's a big jump. Nice. 13 and 14. Let's go to question 13 now. Janvi, food over? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, look at this part carefully, Janvi. There is no sign between them. That means
Well,
there
that
is
means
a
you have to multiply.
Good. Minus 45 into 7, Janvi.
7 5s are 35. 3 carry over. 4 7s are 20.
28 plus 3.
28. 28 plus 3. 31.
Minus 315. Arnab, why is your hand raised? How many times will you keep your hand raised?
Ma'am, I have an internet connect problem.
So what should I do?
So I got raised hand.
Internet causes you to raise hand. Nice. Okay, fine. This is the number. This is plus 47. So let's go. Vivek, next question again to you. 892 minus 25. I can see you giggling and laughing with someone. Concentrate in the class. Quick.
892 minus 25. 2 minus 47.
Quick before I finish the question.
867. 867.
Thank you. 867 minus 315 minus 5. So let's do 867 minus 315. Reanshi. Reanshi is playing with her filters. Not cool. 867 minus 315, Reanshi. Do it before me. Do it before me. Do it before me. 552 minus 5. Okay. Let's go back to Samriddhi Srivastav. Samriddhi, 552 minus 5.
547.
Oh my God. Before I could have written it. 547. Nice. 547 plus 47. We'll go to Mishika. Mishika. Before I do it, Mishika, before I do it.
549. 595.
594. No problem. 594, everyone. Option A. Done. Any doubts? Okay, you guys gonna tell me, ma'am, ma'am is doing her level best to speed up. But it's already 9-8. Anyways, number 14, Shania. Even has a business of repairing cars. Last year, he repaired 94 cars a week. This year, he wants to increase his business to 1980 cars a year. So, how many cars will he have to wash each month on an average? So, he wants to increase it to 1980, right? How many months are there in a year?
12.
Correct. We have 12. So if I divide it by 12, I can get my answer. 12 times 1 is 12. What's the remainder, Shania? 7. We bring 8 down. What should I multiply with 12 to get close to 78? Go ahead, Channo. 17, 16, 7, 6.
6.
Correct. 12 times 6 is 72.
72.
And that leaves me with 6. Now 60 comes down, 60. So 12 times 5 is 60. That means on an average, this person has to wash 165 cars every month. Thank you, Shania. Everyone okay with the 14th question? Good. Let's go to the last question. No, second last question. 18 and 20. Say, Manvik.
You skipped 2 doubts of mine.
Last.
Last two. Okay.
Last second.
You skipped 2 doubts of mine. 7 and 11.
I can hear someone. Better not
I
speak.
have raised my hand. It's me, Manvik.
Not you, Manvik. I can hear someone else. Okay, fine. Hanifa, can you answer? Like, is your internet okay for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hanifa, let's get started with the first bracket here. So we see the simple brackets. So 12 times 12, Hanifa?
It's 144.
Thank you. Minus and minus, when we open this, it will become
A plus.
plus 4. Okay, but don't go in that direction. First, let's divide. So, Aradhya, 144 divided by 144?
Ma'am, 1.
1. So now everyone look at this. 195 minus box bracket 1 plus 4 minus curly braces. So Shivani, help me solve the curly braces. 3 minus 17 is?
Minus 14, ma'am.
Minus 14 minus 10?
Ma'am, it's minus 24.
Correct. So now the minus 24 is going to come out of the curly braces. Okay. There's a minus waiting outside. So Aradhya, sorry, not Aradhya, Advika, you tell me minus and minus becomes?
Ma'am, minus and minus becomes plus.
So it's plus 24. Solve it, Advika. 1 plus 4 plus 24.
Ma'am, 5. So 24 plus 5 is 29. And 29 minus 195.
That's okay. That's okay. No, no, don't solve it further. Ibrahim, 195 minus 29.
Ma'am, what? 195 minus?
195 minus 29. Look at the screen. Don't ask me questions. Jaldi, fast.
166.
166. That's absolutely right. Everyone, option C is the right answer. Manvik, clear? Naman, what's in the dinner? Say Arnav.
Ma'am, what do we do of 144 plus 4?
What do we do? 144 plus 4 means 144 will first get divided, then we will add it with 4. Bodmas. Okay, Sadhna, ready? Question number 20. 96 divided by 4, Sadhna.
96 divided by 4. 1 second, ma'am. 2, 2, 2, 10.
Yeah, you do that.
1, 6, 16. Ma'am, 48.
48. 14 times 2. Not you,
40.
Sadhna. Aditi. Aditi, 14 times 2.
28.
1 second. Sadhna, what did you say is your answer for this? 96 times divided by 4?
Ma'am,
It was.
Yeah, there's some mistake here. I heard 40
Yes,
something,
ma'am.
which
Yes,
is wrong.
yes, ma'am. 2, 4, 8 minus 1, 6, 16. Ma'am, 48.
24, Sadhna. 4 times 2 is 8, not 4 times 4. Check the calculation on the screen. See here. Arnav,
Oh,
28 plus 65.
Me?
28 plus 65.
28 plus 93.
Very good. 93 minus 62. Manvik, 93 minus 62.
ma'am, 31.
Thank you. Vedant, 31 plus 24.
What, ma'am?
What is the question which you see on the screen? 31 plus 24.
31 plus 24 equals to 55.
Thanks. Everyone okay? Manvik okay? Wow, we just completed it on time. But I know, don't make some faces here. I know. What I'll be doing is, last class, did we play a, what do you call, racing game?
Yes,
Did we do a racing
we did.
in this batch?
Did we do it in Saturday?
No, ma'am, we
Yeah,
didn't
we
do
have
it.
not done it in this batch. We have done it
Ma'am,
in
Ma'am,
reasoning.
we didn't do.
yeah, we've done it in reasoning, not in maths.
Correct. Thank you. Okay, fine, everyone. Doubts only. Raise your hand if doubts only. Nothing else related to game. Nothing else related to game. Only when you have a doubt. Yeah?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah. No problem in that.
Ma'am, can I
So
leave?
wait a second, 1 second. Before leaving, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Wait.
Just give me 1 minute. We'll have to figure out one thing. I think probably I have a. This was which part which you completed? Factors and multiples, right? Just give me 1 minute, everyone. I need to give you a test also. So just give me a second. I don't want that you don't get it in the class and then you get it on WhatsApp, so you'll not be aware of it. So factors and multiples test. Yes, there is a test for you people on factors and multiples. Let me share it on the screen. That's going to be your homework. So homework 5/5/2025. This is the test which you guys need to do. Okay. Copy, paste. Take this homework. Olympiad Success will also be sending you this homework on WhatsApp. So no need to worry. Okay. And for this, I'm not sure. Probably we'll not be able to do this today. Let's try this next class. Okay. I know I wanted to, but what to do? You have so many doubts. Okay, fine. Say, Parth.
Ma'am, can you please share one more worksheet like you did on the board mass on multiples and factors?
I really have no access to that. Olympiad Success can send it, but the problem is that, I mean, we can do that, but the thing is that, see, you all have to also do it from the additional sources like your school books and some additional books if you have. Or else, as I told you, go to the worksheet section and try to give the online test there of the same chapter. You can try it from there. Otherwise, you can ask Olympiad Success, see how they provide you, because the part of the package is this only part, like the reading material plus the exercise which you have. Okay.
Ma'am, but
Okay.
the level of questions is different.
No, it's nothing like that because it's not for the one single exam for which you're preparing part. I'm not sure if you have ever given 4 or 5 more different types of examination. This is not only for IMO or Silver Zone or SOF. This preparation is for 4 or 5 more Olympiad exams as well. So we have been covering, like we are covering 80% of almost every exam. And if you want to do any specialized training, then there is a one-on-one training session for that. So 80% of the syllabus for most of the examinations is covered using this live classes, and therefore the level of the exam can go up or high, like the level of the questions can go up and high depending upon which exam are you sitting for, right? So that varies. We are not teaching for just one type of exam here. So it is Olympiads, but all the Olympiads have different levels, if you know. Like Unicus Olympiad is harder than IMO or SOF or CREST Olympiads. So that is the difference, right? NSTSC is very hard, Samriti. That's one of the hardest. So that's why Parth, the level will vary. You will not stick to a single level because we are not doing it for a single exam. Okay. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I will
Go
not
fast,
be.
guys. We are late.
I will
Yeah.
not be able to come from 7 to 15.
Okay. Happy vacation. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, ma'am, the first year I told NSTSC that first year only I got a good better in it.
Very good. Congratulations. Hanifa, may God bless him. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Okay. Do not worry. By the way, tomorrow is my birthday as well. So
Thank
see
you,
you
ma'am.
everyone.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Thank
ma'am, in
you.
advance.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy ma'am, have a doubt.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy
Okay,
birthday,
okay.
ma'am.
1 second, 1
Happy
second.
birthday,
Two
ma'am.
people are raising hand. Let me just talk to them first. Anvita, say. Then Anika, guys, we are late. Remember this. Say.
Ma'am,
Anvita,
the thing is that where will we get the homework?
I have sent you this in the chat here. And Olympiad Success will also be sending it on WhatsApp. Okay? Fine. Thank you so much, everyone in the chat. Yes, Ananika, say.
Did we do game yesterday? Like, or we'll be losing games in like 4 days in a row.
What to do, Nanika?
Like, did we lose
Like
it?
so
Did
many
we lose
doubts.
it
It's not
yesterday?
in my hands.
Did we lose this?
Say, Advika, it was never a part of this. I have added it additionally. Say, Advika.
Someone else's birthday today, right?
Whose birthday?
Someone else's like last class, I think.
1 day before or 2 days before. Someone else's birthday was on 4th May, I remember. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, Tanisha on.
Oh, Tanisha. Yeah, correct. Tanisha, your birthday yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy belated birthday, Tanisha.
Thank you.
So now one person in
Excuse me,
advance
ma'am.
and one person in belated. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, I have sent you a happy birthday picture
Thank you
in
so
the
much. I
chat.
got a
And ma'am, I
picture.
have
Thank you so
also
much.
copy pasted the this exam mock test at which you have sent.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, everyone. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Wednesday now. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.